Hello guitar players, welcome to the second leg of the week. Today we have a classical guitar workout. First, tune down to drop D. Then we're going to clamp on a capo on the 2nd fret. Okay, now here's the lick. First, I want to talk about the right hand. Thumb, index, middle, and ring finger, okay? Now, the ring and the thumb are going to be playing together, that first line, those first note and the last note. From there, your pinky is going to go on the 12th fret, and that's going to be your first note, together with the bass. Then you pull off into the 9th fret. And from there, we're going to go down the scale. Now you're going to play with your middle finger on the 2nd string on the 10th fret, followed by the index on the 8th. And then you're going to continue on by adding the ring finger on the open 1st string. Remember that we're clamping down a capo on the 2nd fret, so that changes the whole sound of the guitar, the open string. If you would like a PDF of today's lesson, please make sure to check out my Patreon page. Over there, you're going to get not only a PDF of today's lesson, but you will also get access to exclusive content that you won't get anywhere else. From here, you're going to keep going down the scale, 5th fret, 3rd fret, open 2nd, 4th fret on the 3rd string, then open, 5th fret, and then open. You're going to play the index and thumb together, the power chord, and then you're going to hammer on the 1st finger, on the 4th fret, and the 3rd finger is going to be on the 5th fret. Thumb on the 4th fret, index on the 3rd, 4th fret, open 2nd string, 5th fret, open 1st string, 7th fret, 10, and then you're going to finish on the 12. Shout out to Robert Gannon for being my first patron. Make sure to visit my Patreon page to get exclusive content. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Happy practicing.